Okay, startup is pretty simple. Turn the switch to power on. Computer's going to come on here. Go ahead and open up the door. And if you want to run this with the door open, you need to put this little interlock in place here. There is a switch over here to turn a fan on, and that will just exhaust some of the fumes from inside the cabinet. So here's the software screen, and you can work in the design view, which is this screen. You click over here to add text, and this dialog box comes up, and we'll just leave that the way it is. But you can change the text height here, change your fonts here. There's laser fonts that are good for real small engraving. They can be like a single line, or you can just use TrueType fonts. And when you use a TrueType font, they have to be filled, which we'll do that in just a second. But click OK, and then click on the screen. And then you can click and move the text around, scroll with your mouse to zoom in. And you can see right now the text is unfilled. Come over here to the hatch fill and add a fill to it. You still see it, you still don't see it. In order to see it, you have to click this little show fill. Now you'll see that the fill density is not very dense. To change that, you come over here to fill gap, and you just click in the line and backspace and make it like 005. Hit enter. That should make it more dense, but it probably needs to be refreshed. There we go. So once you get a program on the screen here, we need to set the Z height. So the Z is automated, motorized, so we need to do that. We need to home it first, and to do that you run this little program here, runtime, and we want to open job.